this road has a 20% gradient, basically 20% downhill. Obviously the video, it does not do the justice of showing how steep it really is, but in real life, I swear, if you're sitting on the passenger seat or if you were driving right now, you'd be scared, you know. Okay, maybe not necessarily scared, but you'd definitely be thinking in your head of the worst things that could possibly happen. Like, imagine if you're going down because you have to keep pressing the brake, right? Imagine if the brakes are overheated or something, or for any reason they just stopped working. How would you save yourself in this situation? Let me know in the comments, because look, this road keeps going and going. Even if you went on the grass, like on the right or left, the car would still keep going, you know. Like I said before, the video does not do the justice of showing how steep it really is. So there's no way for you to really stop the car in here. Without the brakes, you know, you build a momentum, you know, you keep going faster and faster, and you'll be crazy, you know. But it's very unlikely for that to happen, extremely rare. Anyways, this place is called the Peak District, Castleton to be more specific, so if you want to visit, you should, because the view in here is absolutely phenomenal, you know. Obviously you can't see the sky and everything here in the video, but if you're sitting in the car you can see all around you, the sky and everything, and it looks really nice.